Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am doing a product Empties. After so long, I don't even remember the last time I did a product Empties. So I went ahead and saved everything that I used up in this little box, and I am going to dig right in because there are a lot of products that I've completely used up and I cannot wait to throw these away. So yeah, let's get started. The first product is from a brand that I talk a lot about, but I feel like I haven't mentioned this brand in such a long time, and I'm talking about it after a lot of videos. But the problem is that you can't find this brand anymore in India. They have completely gone out, so there are no stock anywhere online or offline, and yeah, I am so sad that this is over. So this is actually my travel sized Effaclar face wash that I used to keep in my travel bag, and I finished this off completely. Really like this. As soon as I get my hands on this, I will most definitely I'll buy a bigger size actually so that I can use this for longer. The next product is again a face wash. This is from Kiehl's. This is their Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash, and I've completely finished this off to an extent where I've poured water in this just so that I could shake it up and use whatever is remaining inside, just so that I wouldn't waste anything. I absolutely loved this face wash, and I'm most definitely repurchasing this. So I kept this in my washroom and I use this every time I took a shower, and this is a 230 ml bottle that lasted me so long. It lasted me for several months. I use this for my nighttime routine, and this was especially good to remove any sort of makeup after I've used makeup remover. It just helped in keeping my skin super duper clean and balanced and soft and hydrated. I loved this. This is for normal to oily skin, and I have very oily skin, and this worked very well for my skin. This is actually something that is expensive. This is priced at rupees 2,600 for 230 ml, which is an expensive product, but because it worked so well on my skin, I am very happy to shell it out. The next empty is this very oily bottle. This is from Innisfree. This is their green tea oil cleanser. Again, one of those things that I've used till the last drop, and I have already replaced this. I have another new bottle with me, which I have already started using. This is a oil cleanser, something that you pump out on your hands by the end of the day, or whenever you want to remove your makeup. You spread it in between your palms and then you use it to break your makeup, and then when you mix it with a little bit of water, it turns into this milk-like consistency. It gets rid of all of the makeup on your face. I really like the green tea range from Innisfree. I think it works great for anybody from oily to combination to acne prone skin. Okay, the next product is from the Face Shop. This is their Chia Seed No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream. You guys have seen me talk a lot about this. I use this quite a bit, especially before I do my makeup. I like using this in the morning, and I think this is one of the best moisturizers out there for oily and combination skin. And as you can tell, this jar is completely wiped clean. There's literally zero product in here because I've used every last bit of it. I treasured it so much, and I've already got myself another one because I love this. The next product is again from Kiehl's. This is their Ultra Facial Cream, and again, I have used every last bit of the cream. Absolutely love this. Although this is for like normal to dry skin type, I think it works well for all skin type. Depends on how much you're taking and what weather conditions you live in. But this is the only cream that has helped calm down my skin. So on days that I felt my skin was severely dehydrated, or I've used a clay mask that is very harsh, if my skin is feeling very sensitive and dry and lackluster, and I want something to sleep with on, and something that is very hydrating, calming and desensitizing on my skin, this is when I like wore this, and I also took this with me when I was traveling, and I think I used this mostly around October to Feb, March, so it's like mostly on the colder months, and this is something that I'm definitely repurchasing again. Next, I have a hair serum from Kerastase. This is their Elixir Ultime, just the golden one. I already have a replacement for this. Really like this, but I got the orange one. I don't remember exactly what that's for, but I love Kerastase serums. Definitely check this one out if you are looking for a new one, which is super lightweight. I also have a very mini travel size of this one, which I keep in my travel bag, and I use that very regularly whenever I am traveling. And yeah, finished this one as well. There's like one pump left, but yeah, really like this. Next, I have one of my favorite products from Kama Ayurveda. This is their Mridul soap-free face cleanser, gentle all-natural facial cleanser. So this is completely over. This is a facial cleanser that comes in a powder form, and it's a little gritty, and I loved using this to exfoliate my skin, and I miss this so much. I am definitely buying this one again. Another travel size products that I've completely used up. This is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh shampoo. So it's a dry shampoo. I already have replaced this, but I'm currently using a Bee Blunt one. They have come up with like mini travel size version of their pink and the yellow one. So I have both of them. That's what I'm using, but I absolutely love Batiste. I have the full size of it, and I like run out of these very often because I am using dry shampoo very often. And if you guys don't have one of these in your handbag, then you must definitely keep this. Next, I have this Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Serum. This serum is actually for preventing 9 signs of aging. I really liked this, and I would definitely repurchase this, but not immediately, because I have so many other serums that works well for me. Like I said, I'm using the chia seed serum. I've got the Clarins one. I've got the Bija Sika balm. So I use a lot of them, like depending on how my skin is feeling at the moment. So I would definitely repurchase this. Definitely recommend this for anybody who is 25 plus and they're looking forward to including more anti-aging skincare products. Then you must 101% give this a try. And the last product that we have is this, again, travel size product from Clinique. This is the Take the Day Off makeup remover. I really like the balm. The balm is also over, but I think I threw away the jar, and this is again over. This is the only makeup remover that could take off the very waterproof Clinique mascara that I used to have. I used to use that very often. Oh my god, I can't remember the name now. Lash Elevating Mascara? Yes, I think it was the Lash Elevating Mascara. And this is the only makeup remover that could take it away without me feeling like I'm removing all my eyelashes. So it's great for really stubborn mascara, and that is the only time I would use this. And when I'm traveling, because this was in my travel bag. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it, because I think I could get away with like a cleansing balm first and then use, say, a 2-in-1 micellar water, like the waters that come with oil. So I could just use those two things and just remove my makeup. So I don't think so I am going to repurchase this, but on its own, it's a great product, but it's a little expensive, which is why I wouldn't spend on it right away. So that concludes this product empties video. That was everything in this basket. My hands super oily now. Need to go wash them. But yeah, that's it for this video. It was actually so nice to sit down and do a product empties video after so long. I don't remember when was the last time I did that, and it feels so satisfying, you know, when you use up the last bit of product, and especially when the product even works well on my skin, it just is such a win-win feeling and I feel so satisfied. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos, and you can also hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video, and it's straight up on your notification on your phone. I feel like most of you watch my videos on your phone. If that's the case, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you watch my videos on your phone or do you watch it like on a laptop or like a computer. I personally watch a lot of YouTube on my phone or on my TV. So those are the two places that I watch YouTube. Random facts. Anyway, enough rambling. That's all for this video. Bye!